how one of my clients went from living out of her savings to a beautiful 6-figure income and a 14-week wait list in about a year. Now, before I give you the headliners on how she did that, I will let you know that I would love to workshop this with you, how to grow your bookkeeping practice into what you envisaged in the first place. And to do that, I am running a 5-part workshop series. It is absolutely free to attend. It is my gift to you, and you can click the link to register here. Now, what she did to do that is that ultimately she learnt and installed the bookkeeping practice blueprint, which I talk about a lot in my books and my podcast. If I was to tell you the big ticket items that I'd love to dive more into with you, it would be a brand that connects, financial management, products and pricing ecosystem, product ladder, a killer conversion process, and then nurturing prospects that come through into that beautiful pipeline of pre-sold prospects. So if you would like to learn more about that, I do recommend that you click the link and register for the upcoming workshop series, and I hope to see you there.